Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of this small purchase. It's a small SLG from YSL. So my SA recently sent me some pictures of a private sale for YSL. She told me that these items will be revealed on Black Friday. However, with their chosen customers, they can send the items. So let's open it together. And let's find out what is this. The box is actually huge for the small item. So inside is this box, and it says Saint Laurent in here. And let's open it, and it has this small card. So this is retail for 275 US dollars, and I got this for 189 on sale price. And inside is this beautiful card holder in red. It is so pretty. It feels like in lambskin, but it's more durable. So maybe this is calf skin. I asked my SA if she knows what type of leather this is, and she's not sure about it. So I just took my chances since it's on sale, and it's really pretty, guys. It has it's this like chevron quilting, which is so puffy, and it doesn't feel delicate at all in my opinion. So if you have this wallet, please let me know how much it wears, like if it was able to hold up in your everyday use, because I'm really curious as well. This is in like gunmetal, silver. It is in silver hardware, but it's more like in between the silver and gunmetal. So pretty. So it has two card slots here, and then one slip pocket here on top, and another two card slots. And the lining is more like a black, I think it's in leather. Yeah, I think it's in leather lining, and it says Saint Laurent Paris over here, and I think it's the serial number here at the back. And let's try to compare this quick with my Chanel card holder. So this is my Chanel card holder that has 7 cards inside. And comparing it with the Chanel card holder that I have, this one only has 1 card slot here, while this YSL has 2. And then at the side, it looks like this. It's the same that they tuck this inside, so there's no glazing that we can see in here. And then at the back, both has 2 card slots. This is in caviar leather, while this one is more like in, I'm not really sure if this is calf skin, but it feels more durable than the caviar leather. And it has 1 opening here in front. So let's try to transfer the cards from my caviar Chanel card holder to this YSL. So in front I have 2 cards, and we'll put it in here. So I put it together in 1 card slot. And then at the back I have 2 cards. I'll put it in here. Like it feels like tight already. Then we'll get this 2 cards, and we'll transfer it in here. So all in all, it has 2, 4, and 6, since 1 slot has 2 cards. And there's still 1 slot here, but I'm gonna put something inside first so that we'll see if I can still fit more cards. So I have another card, and then 3 bills. It feels really tight now. I'll just put the last card here in this additional card slot. There. So it basically fits the same, except that there's one more card slot here in front than in my Chanel Caviar. This has already stretched. That's why I was able to put the same items inside here, even though this has 4 card slots and this has only 3, like 1, 2, and 3, and another opening here. So with the YSL, I have 2 in front, 2 at the back, and 1 here in the middle. So it has 1 additional card slot. But if you're gonna put all the things from my Chanel Caviar card holder, it fits basically the same, as this is already stretched and packed right now. So we'll see if I'll have this for a few months, if it will stretch out, and I will let you know, guys, if I will be able to put more in here. And the reason why I got the red, because I'm thinking I have 2 red bags, and I have the reissue and this Chanel Caviar Walk that I've got, and this is the YSL one that I have. So the trio has the same shade of red, except that this is more deeper. This is a true red, more like a lipstick red, and this is like a darker red. So I got this to, I would want this to be in gold hardware, but they don't have the one in gold in sale, so I just got this instead. So it's nice that when you grab the card holder, it has the same color, the same as with my Chanel Walk. If I'll put it in here, and then I'll grab this color. So it's just fun that they have now the same shade of red as a match, even though this one is darker. It just makes me happy that I have now a matching wallet for my 2 red bags. Let me know, guys, if you are enjoying your YSL card holder as well. I am really enjoying this Chanel card holder, and I'm excited to use this as an alternative for me to put my cards. So I'm just glad that I was able to get this for $189, and I thank my SA for that, for showing me those sale items. Well, again, guys, thank you for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and thank you for liking my videos and subscribing and for commenting. I read all your comments, and I really do appreciate each one of you, and I'll see you again on my next videos. Bye.